Hi, this is Deborah, your instructor for CSIT 165, Living in an Online World. Here I have logged into Blackboard and I've gone into the coursework page. I'm going to walk you through how to do the next learning module, which is Learning Module 6, Online Presence and Personal Safety Considerations. So I'm going to click into that module. In this module, we will explore the issues of cybercrime, online deviant and addictive behavior, and ways to keep safe in this environment. The due dates are shown below. There are two components in this learning module. The first due date is April 25th, and the second due date is May 1st. In the first component, Internet-based cybercrime and online deviant and addictive behavior, it's worth 50 points. And what you're going to do is write a short, very short, creative writing story. So I'm going to click into that first component and notice that there are two categories of things that you need to include in your short story. First of all, let's go through this list. And the first category is called Internet-based cybercrime. These are actual crimes for which you can get arrested and possibly go to jail for. So you would look through this list and then look at the list in the second category, addictive, deviant and addictive behavior, including gambling, pornography, too much online gaming, stock trading, shopping, and excessive internet use. So there are these two different categories. The first category is mainly crimes, actual against the law crimes. And the second category is not so much criminal, but things that can really harm you in your life, deviant behavior, addictive behavior, that kind of thing. So if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see what the assignment is. So the first thing you do is you're going to choose one topic from each of the two categories above. Okay, so you're going to pick one category from one item from the category 1 list, and then pick a second item from the category 2 list. So you need two items that you have to select, one from category 1 and one from category 2. Once you've decided on your two categories, you're going to research both of them on the internet to the best of your ability and learn as much as you can. Gain background information on each of your two topics. Once you feel you have a very good understanding of the two topics and how they affect people and how people do them, then you're going to write a fictional creative story. Limit your story to a maximum of 2 double-spaced pages in Word. Not more than that, okay? So it's going to be pretty short. You're going to create a main character. So you're going to invent this person who is involved with both of those two topics, of those two things. Okay, that person is involved with both of the category topics you've picked. Then there are some instructions here, A, B, and C, of what to include in your story, the kind of story that you need to write. And please keep your submissions clean and professional. Okay, nothing really awful. Then what you're going to do is go to the discussion board link, which is down here at the bottom, fictional character, short story, and discussion. You're going to go there and you're going to copy and paste your story from Word or whatever word processing program you use. Copy and paste it from there into the discussion page. Okay, you're not going to upload and submit the actual document itself. You're going to just copy and paste what you wrote into the discussion board. Now, if you're not sure what to write about or how to write such a thing, there are a couple of examples here near the bottom. There is a story called The Game Is All and another one called On the Edge. So feel free to click into both of these, one after the other, and read them. These are stories that were written for this assignment in a previous class. Okay, they are anonymous. There are no names on them, so we don't know who wrote them, but they're very good examples of the kind of thing we're looking for in this particular assignment. So when you're done writing your story, You're going to, it must be done by April 25th. You're going to turn it into the link down here. And by that, I mean not submit it, but copy and paste your story into the discussion board. Okay, let's take a look at the other component in Learning Module 6. Ways to keep safe, also worth 50 points, due May the 1st. In this component, you're going to read and explore different ways to stay safe online. And by that I mean not just for children or people who are very young and inexperienced. I'm talking about anyone. There is, in time, there's been a lot of different ways that people have been afflicted by unsavory characters online, shall we say, and people have been taken in by fraud and theft and identity theft and all of that sort of thing. So it's not just for kids, this is for anyone who uses the internet. So please go through, there are a lot of links here to web pages that offer lots of information about how to stay safe online. So read these articles and choose what you think personally are the best 3 ways to stay safe online. Pick 3 top ways to stay safe online. And then you're going to go to the discussion board here. This is also a discussion board assignment where you're going to click this link down here, Ways to Keep Safe Discussion, and you're going to write 3 paragraphs. You have to create your own thread in the discussion before you can see anybody else's post, whatever they've written. So you have to write your own first. When you do that, you're going to write 3 paragraphs, and here it discusses and describes what you need to include in each of the 3 paragraphs. This post is worth 40 points towards your learning module grade for LM6, and there's an additional 10 points that you can earn by commenting substantially on at least 2 of your classmates' posts, which is something you would do a little bit later on in the week. So please, write yours first. You have to do yours first. Then you can come back a couple of days later and comment on 2 of your classmates' posts, and that's how you earn the other 10 points. If you have any questions about anything here for Learning Module 6, please let me know and I will assist you.